that's my favorite part of her voice. What's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, just a few months ago, I've reacted to a guy called Nemo. He represents Switzerland, right? And he killed it. His voice was phenomenal. So I'm back again in Switzerland to react to a different personnel. I'm not sure what she's capable of, so I'm here to learn, right? So I'll be reacting to Voyage by Zomi. First time hearing a Zomi official music video. So, with this being said, let's see if she could be the replacement of Nemo, because Nemo was an exception. He did well, right? Let's see what's up. Peace.
Mes yeux condés découvrent le monde d'une façon naïve à faire confondre.
Alright, so yeah, her voice is neat. Lovely vibe. Her energy is quite a thing I could work with. Yes. So I'm here to process it. Alright. Let's continue.
Les démons de la nuit. Tu me balances des mots qui m'étouffent.
Okay, so once I'm smiling at this point, then eventually you all know I can accept this music as it is, and I want to see if this music can literally removes the history of what Nemo did a couple months ago. So I am eager to know what, because this music seems as if it's gonna be lit.
Quoi qu'il advienne, je me couche près de toi ce soir.
Quite a calm music, so I guess this is a calm spirited music, and I like music that gives you the calm relaxation mode.
Tu comprendras un jour que les fleurs sont plus belles quand tu les arroses.
Yes, this is talent. This is talent. Okay, so another phenomenon artist. All right, Switzerland, you got this. You got this.
Tu m'as coupé tellement de fois. Si tu veux, je peux.
Oh, the excellence in her voice, the way how she bring forth her calmness, the way how she holds her composure, the way how she's just so calm with it, and she's just creating a lot of damage. It says a lot about her. It says a lot about her. Yes, yes, yes.
Avec toi pour faire un voyage.
Such a golden voice, such a golden personality, such a golden woman, right? The way how she bring forth herself, I can tell her she's real professional. I can tell her she's a superstar in Switzerland, bro. I'm not sure how much artists is in Switzerland now, but I only know of two, right? Zome and Nemo, right? And these two artists that I've encountered thus far sounds well. I know Switzerland's a very beautiful country, bro. I do love Switzerland. I would love to come to Switzerland someday just to spend the time, just to spend a vacation, right? So I want to see these two artists in a show performing their music, because I would love to go and to sit and to watch them perform their music, because I love her voice. I love Nemo's voice as well. He did well.
Voyage, voyage, faire un voyage avec toi. Laisse-moi t'aimer.
Oh, so she's now changing the tempo of the music. She's now switching to something more faster. All right, so let's see if she's gonna make a dominance here.
Si tu m'aimes pas, je vais me noyer dans tes larmes. Je vais partager ton vague à l'âme.
She's so peaceful, bro. And I do like peaceful music. You know, I guess each country with different individualism comes with different persona, right? It's not all country we're gonna get music like fast or slow or upbeat, low tempo. It's gonna be different diaspora of music, and her music is quite a soft but yet still an amazing tune to listen to. Very good, Zomi, and you are doing well now.
Tu me bouffes avec ton regard. Quoi qu'il advienne, je ne cesserai jamais.
Yes, 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 yes. Music like this should be in the mainstream because you know why? It's such a beautiful music. It's not a violent music. It's not about, you know, singing about woman and what woman capable of. It's about a calm music, right? So this music should be in the mainstream. And why people do not stream good music? Good music should be streaming, all right?
Chanter pour toi. Tu comprendras un jour que les fleurs sont plus.
Amazing voice. Amazing voice. Damn. Damn. Switzerland is back in the game, bro.
Belle quand tu les arroses, tu m'as coupé tellement de fois.
That's my favorite part of her voice. Her vocals are interesting. Damn, bro!
Si tu veux, je pars avec toi pour faire un voyage.
Her smile is magnificent. That kid, she looks great. Right? And I do like the concept of this video. It's called Voyage. And you know, I love the word voyage. Right? It's just a term where people use quite often. And I do like the concept. The video is literally telling what voyages mean. Right?
Faire un voyage, voyage, faire un voyage avec toi.
As a Jamaican, I confirm this music as one of my music within my playlist. I could go to sleep with this music playing and I could have a peaceful rest because of the level of the music, alright? The music what bring forth life.
Faire un voyage, faire un voyage, faire un voyage avec moi. Faire un voyage,
I wasn't expecting that moment at all. I never expected that she would have changed the moment. That she would have changed the tempo even more faster. Because she's a slow singer based on what I'm hearing. But to hear on this track, on this beat, singing fastly, then I could tell that she's already a mastery in the game, bro.
faire un voyage avec.
She's a very good singer. Very good singer. I do hope that, you know, a lot of people take a listening ears to her, give her a keen listen, and you guys could understand what she's doing.
Moi, avec moi. Si tu veux, je pars.
Golden! Golden! Back up! Back up! Back up! Yes! She's doing a fascinating job here. Oh my god! Let's continue.
Avec toi pour faire un voyage.
Whoa. She's as gorgeous, bro. She's as gorgeous. She's as gorgeous as her music.
Faire un voyage, voyage, faire un voyage avec toi.
Amazing music. Amazing music. Amazing dress code, you know. Amazing artists. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, man. Stay tuned. Peace.